All right, let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. So, where are we at? So we got brands. Brands is what we're doing. Brands, next section. So let's go ahead, copy this. Under here, paste, different brands. So we got brands. Okay. And in here, let's go ahead. New section. So let's go section. Enter. Give this a class. And it is going to be brands, right? Brands. Good. And inside the section, let's go div class. Again, it's going to be small container. See how, if you notice the pattern of how we're organizing this. Small container, and then what do you think is going to be next? Div. It's going to be row. Whoops. Row. Very good. Now inside a row, this time we're going to have 5 columns. So div class call 5. There you go. 5 columns. And inside each of these columns, we're going to have a different brand, a different logo. So let's go IMG space SRC equals images / Now here will be our different logos. We'll do this one first. Close that. Save. And let's see there. We got that logo right there. And I said we're going to have 5 columns, so go ahead and copy that. And let's paste it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paste. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're good. And now we can just change out the logo that we're going to use. So next, let's go right here. OPP. Let's go. Oh, keep the logo. Let's go Coke. Next, we'll go PayPal. And then we'll go Phillips. Boom. So there we got our 5 logos right next to each other. Okay, save that. Now let's go into our styles. Let's copy this, organizing our sections out. And what did I say? That was brands, right? Okay. And let's start with brands, curly brace, and let's go margin. And so for the top and bottom, we'll go 100px and auto, right and left. Save. There you go. Got some nice space in between. Okay. And then call 5. Very good. Whoops. Let's go width to be 150px. Go ahead and save that. And then now, again, call 5, but focusing on the images. IMG, curly braces. We're going to do width. We want it to be 100%. We'll do the cursor thing again and give it pointer. Where's that? Pointer, nice. So that when it hovers over it, it turns into like that little Mickey Mouse hand. Pointer. Okay, now here's another effect that we're going to use. So to make it, yeah, watch. It's going to be gray, and then when you hover over it, then the colors will come in there. So let's first do, copy this, paste, 2 dots, and let's go hover. This is our pseudo class. And we're going to give it a filter, dot, and it is gray slate. Gray slate, and put it at 0. Okay? And then I also want it to float. So remember how we do to make it to, you know, kind of like float when you put the mouse over it. So transform, and we're doing translate. Spell that right? Okay. Transform. There. Transform. There you go. That's why things are messing up. There you go. Don't forget that semicolon. So here we go. Translate Y. And we're going to do that -10 px. Whoa, caps lock. 10 px. There you go. Semicolon. And now we go into here, and we'll get that filter right here. So when we hover over it, we want it 0. Copy. So when we don't hover over it, it's going to be 100% gray slate, meaning it's going to be gray. So see, our images are now gray. So this right here, filter gray slate, 100%, and then when we hover over it, the gray slate will be 0, meaning the full color will be there. So like right here, boom, boom, boom. But I need to get it to float, so let's go transition, transform, transition, transform, and then it was 0.5 seconds. Save that. All right, now it'll be smooth. Yeah, see how it like floats up and the colors come in there. I think that's really cool. Cool. All right, now let's do our footer. Let's work on the footer. So we got it's coming together pretty nice. Got that floating. Okay, so now let's go back here. Brands, copy that, and we'll do a new section. And we'll go footer. Awesome. And then let's get a new section going. Class equals footer. Good. Inside the section, now we're going to make this our container. Whoops, equals container, class, come on, div, class, row. There you go. And we're gonna have a little bit different rows. They're not all gonna be perfectly even. So we'll start with the first one first. It's going to be div class equals footer column 1. So yeah, these are going to be different. So now in class footer column 1, let's put h3 download app. Boom, starts right there. Next, let's give it a little paragraph. Whoa. There we go. And it'll be download app for Android and iOS mobile phone. Good. And then we're gonna go div class equals, and this will be our app logo. Inside there now we'll put our pictures, img src equals images / it'll be that Play Store for the Android devices, and we can copy that, and this one will be the Apple Store. Boom, got those two little logos in there. Good. Okay, so now we got that closed in there, and then we got column 2, footer column 1. Now let's go the next one. Got 2 divs, and now let's go div, and in this next div it's going to be class equals footer column 2, which will be a little bit different. We're just going to put one image, img src equals images / same our logo, but we're going to put it the white version of it. There you go, right here. And we'll put some words under there. Paragraph, boom. Let's just take our purpose is to sustainably make the best and benefits of sports. Make the best and benefits of sports. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Good. And then under here, let's do another div. Each of these are going to be different, so that's why we're creating one for each. Footer / call dot 3. Nice, nice. And then let's give it an H3. Useful links. In our useful links, let's give it a UL. And then let's go LI tags. inside these let's go coupons, and let's copy that 4 times. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Blog post, return policy, join affiliate. All right, now we got that little list right there. Good, and we're gonna got one more column. So under this closing tag, we're going to do one more. So we can do div class equals footer dash call dash 4. And then let's get a little social media area. Again, H3. Follow us. I'm going to make a list. So what tag do I use? Good. And then my list items, we'll do Facebook. Go ahead and copy that. 2, 3. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Good, good. So there we got column there, column there. And we got that UL. And then let's even just, so right here, 1, 2. Under here, let's give a horizontal line. Boom, see that little line right there? Really faint. Gotta kind of scroll up to see it. And then under that, let's put our copyright. Boom, boom. And let's go class equals copyright. And then in there we'll go copyright 2023 grade day designs. And then to put that copyright symbol, so you see my words are coming down right there. To put the copyright symbol, you put the and sign, copy, and that semicolon. And then you see the little C right there? Sick. Okay, so clearly we don't want to just have a footer that looks like that. Let's start styling now. Let's get some styles going to it. Going to it, hey, hey. Okay. CSS, brand styles, copy, paste. Footer styles. We'll start off with footer. Let's give it a background. Put it black. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Background black. Okay. Let's put the words so that we can see them. And we're going to do boom. 8A, 8A, 8A. Good. Looks smooth. And then let's get our font size going. We'll go 14 px. Okay. And give us some padding. 60px, 0, 20px, semicolon. Looks good, looks good. Okay, next. Let's focus on our paragraphs. So we'll go footer, P, curly brace. And let's give those colors that 8A thing. Good, semicolon. Good, good, good. And now let's focus on our H3, our little headers. H3, curly brace. H3. Let's give that a color of FFF. There it is. And margin bottom, see how we need some space down there, of 20px. Very good. Very good. Okay, so now to add multiple styles to different classes, all we need to do is put a comma in between them. So we want this, copy, here, boom. And then let's go comma, put the period there, paste, comma, period there, paste, comma, period, paste. And it's gonna be footer column 1, footer column 2, footer column 3, and 4. So each of them are gonna have different styles, but we're doing this for the styles that are the same for all of them, so we don't have to repeat ourselves just this one time. So we do want all of this min width to be to 50px, and margin bottom 20px, semicolon. All right, so now we got some space. It's coming together. Now, specifically for the footer column 1 only, let's go flex basis flex basis 30%. Good, good. And now we're gonna go for column 2. It's gonna be, we want the width to be 1080. Oh, 1080px, semicolon. We want flex to be 1, flex to be 1. And then we want, let's align the text align to be center. Okay. And then text align center. Boom, boom, boom. And then let's go margin bottom 20px. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get that organized. Next, let's copy that again. And let's focus on footer 3. And we'll apply the same to both of these. footer 3 and footer 4, curly brace, and let's go flex, bias, 12%. We don't need it to be the full part of the page. 12%, doon. Text, align, center. Good. Okay. There we go. Text align center. Din. Now, as you can see, we have these little dots. We don't want that. We do not want that. So what we'll do is UL, curly brace, here, list, style type. Let's go none. Took off the dots. Very good. And now, let's focus on the logo for the App Store, which is, where's that at? Right here, app logo. So we'll go dot app dash logo, curly brace, margin top, give it some space from the top, 20 px. Very good. See the space came in there. And let's go now, let's focus on the images. In the app logo space img, curly brace, and our width will be 140 px. There, that's more realistic. Nice and small, and it's looking cleaner. See, that footer's coming together. Okay, now let's go footer. Footer HR for our horizontal line that we have here. Curly braces, enter. And we don't want a border. None. Okay. Border none. Almost there. And now let's organize our copyright. Copyright. So copy right, curly braces, and let's go, let's put it in the center. Text align, center. Et voila. Very good. So if you see, there we go. We got the base part of our home page. Nice. We got our little reviews. We got our brands that are bright and popping once we hover over it. Got a nice footer right there. Offer and our products. Okay, but right now we still need to make some media queries so that if somebody looks at this website on a phone, it'll be more responsive and it will look nice. That will be the next video. Let's do it. Oh, let me look over what we just did. So let's go so that you guys can see the code if you missed anything. Okay, so we did brands. I'm in the HTML. Check out the brands. And then our footer. Footer was right here. Brands is right here. Style, brands, footer styles. Sure you didn't miss anything. All right, Yes. Next, we'll do our media queries and add some JavaScript to it.